Stihl 044 and several other models. This is going to be your trigger assembly and how to put back on the handle. When putting the handle back on, you're going to want the choke all the way down, full choke. So you'll see here's the linkage coming off the carburetor. You're hooked in back there. So coming off the carburetor, you're going to have your dowel pin connecting in here, and then your spring goes off the trigger and it tucks in below here. Here is the safety portion, and then the spring connects underneath here. So you'll need full safety or full choke on to get your handle back on, and then this will gotta click in on them grooves. Make sure you're good both sides. I had to pause that one-handed, but you will see this will go in nice and smooth when you get it. The trigger portion right here, that is going to go in front of this notch right here. So you'll put that on, place it down, and that'll click right into place, and then you'll do your screw in the bottom, and you're good to go. That's it.